So guys, welcome to another video. Today we're in California on a friend's boat and we're at the marina right now driving boats. Kyle just bought a new M41, runs on 6S. That is Hudson down there driving Kyle's old boat, pro boat, Blackjack. Kyle's M41 is pretty sick. It's 40 inches long, which is huge and is pretty fast. Kyle was in California and he saw this boat online for around 280 bucks, which is a steal, so he went and picked it up. Once the boat gets on top of the water, it is super fast and drives like butter and can corner very well. Some boats you have to slow down a lot when you're turning so it doesn't flip over, but this thing you can give it a lot of throttle in the turns and it handles really well. Once we're done using the boat, we have to wipe it off because this is salt water, so it stays clean and doesn't rust. Went to the boat and picked up a battery, and now we're gonna go get the crawlers and go to the beach and maybe build some jumps. We thought we would go to a little man-made beach and put the crawler in race mode and unleash the brushless motor and just have a little fun bashing the crawler. Kyle's truck was going a little slow, so I thought I'd run him over. These rocks on the side of the beach were the perfect spot to crawl and super fun. The front tire got stuck on the front fender and kind of bind up, and I think it led to some kind of gear stripping in the transmission, so that was it for the weekend for the crawler. But thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.